Welcome, everyone. Today, we are gathered here for Selena and Tyler's marriage.
Your kindness, your patience, and your heart inspire me every day. Today, I vow to never stop choosing you through every season, every challenge, and every joy, and to love you, not only at your best, but to stand by you in your hardest moments. I promise to be your partner, your protector, your biggest supporter. You are my best friend, my safe place, and my forever. Today, and for the rest of my life. I give you all of me, and I am so grateful to get to call you my wife.
Tyler, falling for you wasn't like falling at all. It was like walking into a house and knowing I'm home. With you, I have found a love that is steady, unwavering, and full of the kind of magic we dreamed of when we were kids. You're my best friend, my greatest love, and the home I never knew I needed. You are my safe place, my adventure, and my forever. And for all the days of my life, I choose you over and over again, in every moment, in every lifetime, always.
Together, Selena and Tyler, you guys are a perfect match. Selena brings the warmth, the calm, the vision. Tyler, you bring the ambition, the strength, and the humor. So let's raise a glass to Selena and Tyler. May your love continue to deepen, and may your home be filled with kindness and laughter. And may you always see the very best in each other, just as you do today. Kanpai.
Tyler, do you take Selena to be your partner in life? Selena, do you take Tyler to be your partner in life, to love, honor, and cherish in good times and in bad for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
I do.
I am thrilled to officially pronounce you married. Tyler, you may now kiss your bride, Selena.
Choosing to love each other every day, especially when they were doing long distance while Tyler was in school, that the fact that they got through it, which is probably the hardest part, honestly. You guys made it here, right? Which honestly is about down. Yeah, so I would like to raise a toast to Tyler and Selena. We love you guys so much. Thank you for being my brother and my sister.
So thank you, Selena, for taking my son off my hands, taking him into your heart. A marriage lets you annoy the other person special in your life for the rest of your life. And may that be true to both of you guys. May you always find joy, happiness, and everlasting loving each and every day from now on out. With that, please everyone help me raise your glass to the newlywed, Tyler and Selena.
Tyler, I know you'll experience the same gift as you continue to share your lives together. Growing up, it has always been just my sister and I. So now I'm happy to finally have a brother in our family. I can't wait to see how our families will expand in the future. So for that, would everyone please raise a glass and a toast to celebrate the bride and the groom and this union.
Love and marriage is as simple and as complex as the words to this song. Remember to always stay in stride and wait for each other. So, please raise your glass. May Selena and Tyler's union be blessed with many infinities. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and a love that only continues to grow. Cheers.